Arc on off-road, huh? Looks real off-road to me. I'll show you some off-roading. Dude, I said don't worry about it. My dad said we could take his yacht on Saturday. No, you just bring the natty lights. I gotta let you go. I'm at Custom Offsets to get some new wheels for the truck. What's up, dude? I just got an 18 Silverado. Need some wheels and tires. Kind of like those ones.
All up on the wall?
Yeah.
Anything like that's gonna be about $43.85.
43.85. Okay. Hold on, I gotta make a call. Okay. Hey, Dad. So like, do you have like 40? Well, do you have like $6,000 I could have? Because, yeah, I know that happened, but you said that I could get wheels even if you bought me the truck. Dad, you're not listening to me. I just, like $6,000. That's all I need is like $6,000. I can get the whole thing done. They said they'd install it and everything. What? Are you kidding me? Ugh.
I think I'm gonna lift the Prius.
That would be pretty wild.
That would be pretty. Yo, is that Chad? What happened to his truck?
No, that was his dad's truck. He sold it.
What? Dang.
What's up?
Yo, what happened to your truck?
Oh no, that's it's in the shop. So I got that's not mine. My truck's in the shop. That's my cousin's car. I'm actually just borrowing it. But yeah, I still have the truck. Yeah, for sure. I do. I have a truck. It's mine.
Is it even a diesel if it doesn't roll coal? Keaton, look at that Silverado. It's got aftermarket wheels on it. I bet you it looks. Oh, it's a gasser, never mind. So a lot of people ask me if I tow a lot, and I usually haul the heaviest of loads out of all of my group of friends. I can't see the trailer. Keaton, can you back me up? I can't get it lined up on the ball. Is that good? Yeah, so my truck comes with a 6.7 Cummins. I'd rather be coming than stroking. Power! A lot of people ask me if my truck's straight piped. You tell me. Yup. So a lot of people tell me to flip my tow mirrors in, but that's because all I do is pull. Oh, that's gonna look so good for Instagram. Oh, it's so good. Oh my God.
Did you get it? Did you get? Does it look like I'm? Make the truck look bigger. Make sure. No. You gotta flip it the other way for Instagram. Other way for Instagram. It's the story. Yep. How's it look? Yo, bro, can you get it candid? Make sure it looks candid. Like I'm not. Let me just. Make sure it looks candid though, okay? Candid? Is it good? Does it look good? Is it candid enough?
Sick truck outside, bro. Is that yours?
No. It's just for Instagram. Off that video.
Wait, was that real life?
I don't know. I think I can go wider. Yeah, I think I can go wider. I think some 2-inch spacers would definitely change this up. So State Patrol says I can only have 2 inches. I have 8. I think I can make it to 10. Yeah, the stance makes it super easy to get into the truck.
What's up, guys? Hey, can you take a picture of me?
Yeah, bro.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, this thing would be way cooler if it was all black. You guys have any of these that have more black? Yeah, I definitely need a set of these. Hey, do these come in black? Oh, wow. Hey, did this come in black? You know, the Lamborghini's cool, but I'd rather have something all black. Boy, I'm really liking the color scheme of this wall. Yeah. Now this has got enough black.
Oh, hey guys.
"48 days, 17 hours, and 13 seconds until SEMA. Gotta get this thing ready. SEMA crunch." What up? I'm going to SEMA. You guys hear I'm going to SEMA this year? Dude, we gotta get this thing out of here. I'm getting the Bronco ready for SEMA. Totally gonna paint this thing white for SEMA. Can I get everyone's attention, please? I'd like to let you all know that I'm taking the Bronco to SEMA. Go back to work. That's just for a movie. It's just for a movie, god.